Hola, so this is the last concept that we will discuss during this course. It's the verb gustar. So we're going to be talking about likes and dislikes. Okay? Gustar. ¿Te gusta la limonada? Sí, me gusta mucho. You know, she's asking, do you like lemonade? Yes, I like it a lot. Me gusta mucho. Okay, so let's see how we use this verb gustar. With me gusta, right? When we want to say I like something. So here, this is a little different because we need to use pronouns when we use the verb gustar. For example, here, me gusta the office. Me gusta ir a la playa. So I like going to the beach. Me gusta andar en bicicleta. So I like riding bikes in general. Or me gustan los helados. Okay, ice cream. So different things that anybody can like. We need to use indirect object pronouns in order to use and to work with the verb gustar. So anything that I like, it's gonna be me. Me and then the conjugation gusta. Te for you like. Te gusta. Le for he or she or usted or it likes. And so le gusta. And then something that we like, nos gusta. Something that you like, you know, like in Spain, os gusta. And also they, les gusta. They like something, les gusta. So a few examples here. Me gustan los helados. Te gusta la pizza. Nos gusta la clase de español. Les gustan los gatos a ellos. So, I like ice cream. You like pizza. We like the Spanish class. They like cats in general. You know, cats. Okay. So, me gusta. Something that I like. No me gusta. If I don't like something, the negation goes in front of the pronoun. So, no. Okay. I don't like. Examples, me gusta andar en bicicleta, but negación, the negation, no, me gusta andar en moto. So I don't like riding a motorcycle. Andar en moto. Nos gusta, so you know, we can ask, do we like something? Nos gusta, and then hacer ejercicio, so do we like to exercise? Or do we like swimming in general? Nos gusta. And then we can use the verb in the infinitive as well. Te gusta. And here we're for instrument, to play. So tocar is to play when we talk about instrument. Te gusta tocar el piano. So do you like to play the piano? Or te gusta tocar la guitarra? Do you like to play the guitar? Okay, and then we can say, of course, if they answer yes or no. ¿Le gusta viajar a Marcela? So here we're asking if Marcela likes to travel. Goes. And so and then the answer would be sí, le gusta viajar. How we can tell that she likes? I mean, we see a smile, right? She's like ready to go into her next adventure, right? So she's been to places and then she likes it. So sí, le gusta viajar. So we're saying, yes, she likes to travel. Okay? Okay, let's continue. When we, you know, to use the verb, we have to use the verb form gustan. Okay? When we refer to, when our subject is a plural noun or a series of singular nouns. And so, and in this case, our noun is gatos. So, do you like cats? And since it's gatos, it's plural, and so we have to use gustan. ¿Te gustan los gatos? And then, of course, it can be yes, sí me gustan los gatos, or no, no me gustan los gatos. Anything. Exámenes. Also, ¿te gustan los exámenes? If you like exams. Or if you like concerts. ¿Te gustan los conciertos? Or, you know, anything that is plural. To express emphasis or clarification, we also use a prepositional phrase to kind of emphasize the person that likes or doesn't like something. And so for to whom or for whom, you know, like clarify whom or who we are talking about, we use, for example, a mí, it will be something that I like, emphasizing. A mí me gusta bailar. A ti, something that you like to do. A ti te gusta bailar. So emphasizing the who likes or doesn't like something. A él, a ella, a usted, he or she, usted, or it, a él o a ella o a usted le gusta bailar. So either he or she or usted likes to dance. A nosotros is something that we like. A nosotros nos gusta bailar. So we like to dance. Vosotros, this is the one in Spain. A vosotros os gusta bailar. You guys like to dance. And then a ellos, a ellas, ustedes, for they or you guys. A ellos, a ellas, ustedes les gusta bailar. So they or you guys like to dance. So, important, we always must include the indirect object pronoun. One of these. For I, for you, for he or she or it or usted, for we, for us, that's in Spain, and then les for they or you guys. Ejemplo, le gusta bailar, likes dancing. If we say that, le gusta bailar, it's not clear. It doesn't give us enough information. So in order to make this sentence clear, we need to say who likes dancing. In this case, Luisa. So, a Luisa le gusta bailar. Now it's clear. A Luisa. So, Luisa likes dancing. Here's an example, a little practice. Which is the best response to the question? Me gusta el jugo de naranja. ¿Y a ti? So, she's saying, you know, something that she likes. She likes orange juice. Like, what about you? And then he's going to answer, sí, a mí también. He's answering like, yes, I like it. So I, right, a mí. I'm the one that likes a orange juice also. So, sí, a mí también. Like, basically, yes, me too. I like it too. So here's a practice for the verb. So we need to use the correct form of the indirect object pronoun and the verb conjugated as well. So we need to pay attention to if it's a plural noun or singular, or if we have a verb. When we have a verb, right after that, we don't conjugate gustar, it's just gusta. And so I hope you enjoy this lesson, and I'll see you later. Ciao!